Look at any animal on Earth. A dog, a lion, a chimpanzee, they feel pain. They feel fear. They feel joy. But if you look closely at their eyes, you will never see a tear of sadness. Every animal on Earth has tear ducts. They use water to keep their eyes clean and wet. But out of millions of species on this planet, humans are the only ones that produce tears because of an emotion. Why? Biologically, crying makes absolutely no sense. Think about it. If you are in danger, crying blurs your vision. It wastes valuable water from your body. It makes loud noises that attract predators. It is a massive biological disadvantage. Even Charles Darwin, the father of evolution, called emotional tears purposeless. He thought they were just an accident of biology. But evolution rarely makes mistakes. To understand this, you have to look at what human tears are actually made of. Under a microscope, not all tears are the same. You have basal tears, which just keep your eyes wet. You have reflex tears, which happen when you cut an onion or get dust in your eye. But emotional tears are chemically different. They contain a natural painkiller called leucine and enkephalin. When you cry from sadness, your body is literally trying to drug you, to calm your brain down. Think about physical pain versus emotional pain. When you break a bone, your body alerts you. But what happens when you lose someone you love? Or when you feel intense loneliness? The human brain processes social rejection in the exact same area that processes physical pain. Emotional tears are your body's physical response to an invisible wound. But that is only half the story. The real reason we cry is not just about brain chemistry. It is about survival. Millions of years ago, human ancestors started living in larger, more complex groups. To survive, they needed to help each other. When a baby animal is born, it can often walk in a few hours. A human baby is completely helpless for years. It cannot speak. Its only tool for survival is a loud acoustic alarm, crying. But as early humans grew up, screaming for help became dangerous. It alerted enemies and predators. So evolution found a quieter way to signal for help. Visual tears. A tear running down a cheek is a silent signal to the rest of the tribe. It says, "I am vulnerable. I need help." And because crying is controlled by the autonomic nervous system, it is very hard to fake. It is a biological signal of pure honesty. When you see someone crying, it automatically triggers empathy in your brain. It stops aggression. So crying is not a weakness. It is one of the most advanced social survival tools evolution ever created. Without tears, human societies might never have survived. We are the species that survives through connection. And tears are the glue. If this video made you think, subscribe now. Let's figure this world out together.